we are JE Furniture. Since our founding in 2009, we have focused on office seating ODM, committed to providing high-standard office seating solutions for global customers. We have a strong R&D team and cooperate with outstanding designers worldwide to precisely meet customers' diversified R&D needs. We hold over 700 patents, and our products have won more than 30 international design awards. We have a global layout of 3 major bases and 5 factories, with a total operating area of 345,000 square meters, building an integrated intelligent manufacturing system covering modified plastics, molds, injection molding, hardware, foam, cartons, and assembly. Through automation and MES, digital intelligent management, we achieve large-scale flexible production scheduling with an annual capacity of over 5 million units, providing clients with on-time and efficient delivery assurance. We have built a 1,130 square meter CNAS accredited testing center equipped with over 200 high-end testing devices, fully benchmarking international standards such as BIFMA US, BSEN EU, JAS Japan, and QB China. It covers all dimensional testing in chemistry, physics, mechanics, acoustics, and more, with strict checks from raw materials to finished products, ensuring every product to be stable and reliable. With comprehensive strengths, we have formed a matrix of 10 major brands, achieving full scenario coverage, and have set up dozens of offices and branches globally, providing convenient on-site service and rapid response after-sales support. To date, we have served over 10,000 corporate users, and our products are sold well in 127 countries and regions, striving to achieve global layout and sustainable growth. JE Furniture, with professional strengths, achieves customer value.